Fakaalofa, my name is Teresa Upulasi-Tongi and I'm the Pacific Public Programs Coordinator here at the Govett-Brewster Gallery. What it takes to create a one-day event like this, it's a lot of work, but it's a lot of work as a partnership with so many of our communities. Nothing of this scale would ever happen with one person. So many people involved to make this day come to fruition. A glimpse of what we want to see moving forward. And it really is a collaborative project from our local community. So yeah, it's lovely to see a lot of colour, a lot of people come out from the community to enjoy this beautiful day here in Taranaki.
Talofa, my name is Ngāmotu Josh Robertson, and I'm a trustee for the Taranaki Ngāmotu Pacific Charitable Trust. Just thrilled to be here at this event. We have had the privilege of working with the Govett-Brewster Art Gallery and planning this event. It's the first of its kind in this part of the world, this part of Aotearoa. Really pleased and humbled that we're able to showcase parts of our culture, our Pasifika cultures, in a place prestigious as this through artwork.
I'm Judith Amutunai, and currently I'm standing not too far away from my work that is in the collection of the Govett-Brewster. I'm here celebrating an event that's taken some time to get here, but we're finally here, so I'm very excited to share in the work of Govett-Brewster, particularly Teresa Tongi.
Te Talofa atu ia te outou malawa o loo sila mai mo mai. Talofa lava everyone, my name is Ella Tiafau Loheni Stansel. I am extremely honoured and privileged to be here at the Lalaga Pasifika for 2022, and I am here as Siva with Ella on a mission to preserve and protect our traditional mea sina, our traditional practices, and particularly our Siva Samoa. It is amazing to have events like this which actively preserve and protect practices that have been passed down from generation to generation.
Kia ora, my name is Jodie Nike. I'm from Auckland, New Zealand. I'm currently living in Taranaki as an artist. I just feel really privileged to be showcasing here at the Lelei Gallery. I think it's an amazing opportunity and privilege to be here as a Pasifika artist. It's really awesome just to be part of this. It's a new experience for all of us. A beginning of a journey that I'm looking forward to. So I think it's awesome that Pasifika artists here can showcase their work here, and it just feels really special.
Mālō, Sean here. I'm one of the Pacific artists here at the Govett-Brewster. A day like this to share my artwork is quite special. Not only special for me, but special for all of us to be together in this one space that we've been trying to get this done for the past couple of months, and seeing everyone here happy, good food, good people, all our cultural people here together, and it's what we love, and yeah.
I'm Zara Stanhope, Kai Whakahere of the Govett-Brewster Art Gallery, Lelei Centre. The gallery for the last year has made a real strategic commitment to our Taranaki communities, and the priority in there is tangata whenua and our Pasifika communities. And through some support of Creative New Zealand, we've been able to bring into the gallery the Pacific Public Programs Coordinator, Teresa Tongi, and her idea was that we would celebrate Pacific cultures here and across the Motu by having a day of celebration, creative activities, kai, and other festivities. So the gallery really wants to be a place where we can open up for other communities to make their place, that they feel at home in the gallery and they feel safe to organise and bring their community in themselves.